Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add templates to Perplexity AI. So once you're in Perplexity and you have a new space and you would like to create or add a new template, just simply hover over to the left hand side where you have space and you will have templates. So you click on that and from here you have different categories that you can add. So let's say you want to add a trip planner or something in technology. You can go here, you can find what you're looking for. Let's say it's going to be a crypto coin explorer or whatever it is. I'm going to go ahead and use the first option here in the list. Let's say a trip planner pro. We can click on that and it's going to go ahead and add that in for us. And this is what it looks like. So you have it, you see what it looks like. You can choose now to use this template and you can add it to your space. So you may be wondering, where do I find this once I add those spaces? If you hover over spaces afterwards, you will find them. So this is the planner, the trip planner here. And the more you add, if you just simply refresh, as you can see, I add another one there, you'll be able to hover over spaces and you will find them here. So you can always switch between those different templates or spaces that you create. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.